Hi, my name is Vivian Sweet, and I was just going to talk about the RT-PCR test. That this test, RT, stands for real-time or reverse transcriptase or transcription, primary chain reaction. This test is a test for like the real-time virus. So a swab is taken either through a nasopharyngeal or oral pharyngeal, so from the nose or from the mouth, from a patient to test for the presence of the viral RNA using real-time or reverse transcriptase primary chain reaction. How does it work? First step is to extract that RNA from the patient sample, because the COVID virus only contains the RNA, only contains RNA. So we want to convert that RNA to a complementary DNA, which is the same as DNA. And you're going to do this by using an enzyme called transcriptase. So the resulting DNA, RNA to DNA, is called the complementary DNA. We've created a collection of the complementary DNA that represents that original sample. In order to see the SARS-CoV that is present, we need to run a PCR test and to amplify that and detect specific amounts of DNA molecule. A machine called a thermocycling device is a machine that will go through several steps. And these several steps, the first one is called denaturing. You initially start out with 2 strands of DNA, and they're separated by heating or at a hot boiling temperature of 95 degrees Celsius, resulting in a single strand of DNA. Then the step 2 is annealing. And in this process, the temperatures are roughly around 55 degrees Celsius. And so the primers are the short nucleotide sequences of the DNA, and they specifically bind to a single strand. And they only bind to the viral complementary DNA. The third step is extension, and then we are increasing that temperature 72 degrees Celsius, and the enzyme DNA polymerase will begin the process of replicating the template strand. And so the enzyme reads the DNA present on the template strand and attaches the complementary DNA to the end of the primer. And this process of these 3 steps consists of 1 cycle of amplification in a PCR. So this cycle will need to be repeated between 30 and 40 times. And as a result, the DNA sequence between the 2 primers are amplified exponentially to produce billions of DNA molecules. And also, from what I've read, for your results, they are looking for a low CT value, and that gives a positive or shows positive for COVID-19, where a higher CT value shows no infection. And that's it. Thank you.